If you have the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra, then I can show you how to access recovery mode in 3 easy steps. This will require you to have a data connection with something via a USB cable. I will be using my desktop computer in today's demonstration, but I have read that people are able to do this with a pair of earbuds that have a USB-C cable. I will also note that I have been told by subscribers in the comment section that using a USB hub will most likely not work. So again, I have my USB cable right here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the phone so that it is now connected to the PC. Now we're going to bring up the power menu and then turn off the device. Then let's go ahead and wait a bit till after the screen goes black so that we know the smartphone has completely powered down. You may even want to wait until you see a battery percentage indicator on the screen. We're just wanting to wait until the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra has completely turned off. Then you'll want to get ready to press both the power button and the volume up button at the same time. You can change the orientation of the phone like you see I have done, if that helps you to press and hold these 2 buttons together. But we need to press and hold down those 2 buttons until you see the recovery mode screen appear. So let's go ahead and do that. We have the power button and the volume up button. And remember, it's connected to the PC with a USB cable. And I'm going to press both of those down now. And I'm going to continue to hold these 2 buttons down, even past the vibration, even past that first screen. However, if you see this screen here, because your bootloader is unlocked, we are going to have to press the power key to continue. So I'm going to let go and then press it. And then again, I'm just holding those 2 buttons down. Once you see the recovery mode screen appear, then we can let go of the power and volume up buttons. Now I have had some instances where when I let go of those buttons, it actually ends up changing what is selected, and then it selects that option because of the power button. That does tend to be quite rare, but if that happens to you and you notice that your phone ends up rebooting here, then just try it again, and you should get to this recovery mode screen. While you are at this screen, you will notice that the phone is no longer responsive to touch inputs. This is to be expected since the Galaxy S24 recovery mode can only be interacted with via the hardware buttons. So you're going to want to use the volume up or the volume down button to change which option is highlighted. And then when you're ready to select an option, then you would press the power button. So if, for example, we wanted to wipe the cache partition, we would highlight that option and then press the power button to select it. There are a number of different things that we can do while this phone is in recovery mode. This includes installing over-the-air updates via ADB or from the internal storage. We can perform a factory data reset or mount the system partition. We can even run some diagnostic tests from this special boot mode as well. Now, when you're done and you want to exit the Galaxy S24 recovery mode, we simply need to highlight the Reboot System Now option. You could also highlight the Power Off option, but then you're going to have to hold the power button down to boot it back up. So we're just going to highlight the Reboot System Now option and then press the power button to select it. Now, as long as there aren't any issues with your Android file system, then you will see the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or Galaxy S24 Ultra reboot from recovery mode and back into the Android operating system.